Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Here I am back in the glorious UK. If you can't tell from my wet hair, it's obviously raining. Spent the past 3 weeks in Thailand in absolutely glorious sunshine, beautiful sandy beaches, and I'll be uploading some footage from our trip over the next few weeks so you can see what it's all about and maybe get some travel inspiration for going to Thailand. It's our second time going there, so we've spent a good few weeks there now, and we absolutely love it. Thailand is a stunning country and there's so much to see and do. But here we are back in the van, and it's been sitting for 3 weeks. It's a bit depressing news because the windscreen's cracked somehow over the 3 weeks that it's just been sitting still. But anyway, it's been sitting here for 3 weeks, so let's see if it starts. Here we go. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm guessing that's just because the battery's a little bit depleted. 3 weeks ago, I launched a competition where you could guess how much you think the van weighs now it's been fully converted. I had it weighed on the weighbridge, fully loaded, full tank of diesel, full water tank, everything ready for 2 weeks in France. Here I've got the ticket with the actual weight. I asked you all to guess how much you think it weighs in the comments on that video for a chance to win a £25 Amazon voucher, just as a bit of fun and to say thank you to everybody that supports my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to take all those comments, put them into a random comment picker and pick a winner at random, and you will receive a £25 Amazon voucher. And then I will reveal how much it actually weighs. So without further ado, let's pick a winner. Right, I've got the video up here so I can copy that URL and put it into my random comment picker here. Put that in there. Get rid of that banner. Giveaway settings and filters. Show random names. Right. Solve the sum. 9 plus 8 is 17. Get YouTube comments. And all I have to do is click start here to start the raffle and pick a winner. Here we go. David Hammond, I think 2,583 kilograms. So well done, David Hammond. I will leave my email address in the description below. If you just drop me an email, I can get that voucher code sent over to you. I presume you're from the UK. David Hammond's quite a British name, I guess. So we can work out getting that Amazon voucher to you. Thank you to everyone that's entered the competition and liked the videos. Really appreciate it because it helps boost my channel. And all that's left to do is reveal how much the van actually weighs, and I've got it on this ticket right here. Drum roll please. 2.92. Let's have a quick look through the comments and see who got the closest. Right then. So it's 2.92. I'm going to have a scroll through these comments. Thank you for your lovely comments, it's really nice to read them. So I've got 3.35, bit high, 2.1, 3.2, 3.2, 2.9. Kieran King got very close, I remember reading that. 2.95, Dave Crook, that's very close. We've got our winner there, David Hammond, 2.58. And we've got the close, 2.8, it's very close but still not close enough. 2.91, that is pretty much there. DD Draws 6259, well done, that is almost spot on. 2950, it's very close. 3.1, 3, 3.2, 2.8, 2.5. EcoCell Right, as I said previously, I've got some Thailand footage coming your way very soon to give you some travel inspiration. It's well worth a visit to Thailand, trust me, it's absolutely amazing country, and hopefully I've captured that in the upcoming vlogs, so you can see for yourself how beautiful it is there and what we got up to. So stay tuned for that, and hopefully I'll see you then. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.